Synthesizing information, an essential skill in humanities. Hello learners! Today, we dive deep into the world of academic writing in the humanities, focusing specifically on a crucial skill, synthesizing information. But, what exactly is it? And why is it so essential in critical thinking and analysis? Let's find out. At its core, synthesizing information means combining multiple sources of information to produce a coherent, comprehensive understanding of a topic or argument. Imagine taking the ingredients from different recipes and creating a brand new dish. Similarly, in academic writing, we take different pieces of information and fuse them together to provide a fresh perspective or insight. In humanities, studies often encompass a broad range of perspectives, ideologies, and methodologies. Synthesizing ensures you 1. Acknowledge multiple viewpoints. 2. Build a more rounded and complete argument. 3. Present a new or deeper understanding of a topic. 1. Identify the main ideas from each source. 2. Compare and contrast. How are these ideas similar or different? 3. Draw connections. Link the ideas together in a way that builds towards your argument or understanding. 4. Organize. Use subheadings, bullet points, or themes to group synthesized information. 5. Write with a purpose. Always ensure your synthesis ties back to your main argument or thesis. 1. Take notes. As you read, jot down key points from each source. 2. Ask questions. How does this information support or refute my argument? 3. Stay objective. Ensure you're not favoring one source over another unless it's intentional and backed by reasons. 4. Revise. Synthesis is a complex process. Revisit your work and ensure it flows seamlessly. Synthesizing information is like weaving various threads into a single tapestry of knowledge. It's a cornerstone of academic writing, especially in the humanities. With practice, you can master this skill and produce rich, insightful pieces that draw from a myriad of sources. Keep practicing, and always remember to see the bigger picture as you write. Happy learning!